Direct monitoring versus software monitoring. Direct monitoring is a great way to eliminate latency that can occur during software monitoring. By choosing direct monitoring, the signal to be monitored stays in the analog domain the entire time. Let me show you what the signal flow for direct monitoring looks like. It looks pretty wild, doesn't it? Well, it's actually not that hard. I'm going to break it down for you. So first, the signal flows from the microphone into the preamp section of your audio interface. Since the microphone has a very low voltage, it needs to be amplified first before we hit the analog to digital converter. So once the signal has been amplified, it leaves the preamp and gets split up into two different paths. One going straight to the ADC, where it gets converted into digital numbers. So sampling takes place so that the computer can actually understand the signal and work with it. This signal path is only concerned with recording your microphone or your guitar or whatever you have connected to your audio interface. The other path is our direct monitoring signal. That's the one we use to hear ourselves while we're recording. So the monitoring signal flows from the microphone into the preamp of the audio interface, but this time it goes straight to the headphones. There's one more thing inserted between the output of the preamp and the headphones, and that's the balance knob. The balance knob gives us the ability to mix the signal that comes from the playback with our microphone signal. So the cool thing about this signal path is that you never go through the analog digital converter. It doesn't create any latency, and that's what direct monitoring is all about. I think the reason why a lot of musicians prefer software monitoring is simply because you cannot use the plugins within your DAW while monitoring your signal using direct monitoring. So let's now talk about software monitoring. This crazy graphic shows you the signal flow for software monitoring. So let's check out the signal flow for that. First, the signal flows into the box, into the preamp, then straight to the ADC, and from there as digital numbers into your computer and your DAW. The signal can now be digitally recorded as well as sent back out for monitoring. And here's the downside of software monitoring. In order for us to hear our performance in real time, the computer sends the signal to the DAC converter, where it's being converted back into analog so it can be sent to the headphones. Just to be clear, the greatest amount of latency does not come from the DAC. It comes from the processing of the signal with all this other stuff going on within your computer. Imagine you have a session with 100 tracks and maybe 10,000 plugins running. And on top of that, you want the computer to monitor your signal in real time. It takes a very fast processor to make this happen without producing any latency.